Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create or set up account hierarchy in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to our accounts. So basically, you can find them here from the app launcher, or you can find them in your navbar. So basically now you can go to any uh, accounts that you have. For example, this Edge communication. And if we go to the quick action, we can see the view account hierarchy. So now we can just click on the view account hierarchy and we will find the account name, site, etc. So basically you can start creating new accounts so we can see the account hierarchy. And simply you need just to click on the account and you can edit to start uh, in the add to a parent's account. So basically here we click on edit and we add to a parent's account, for example this one, and I'm just going to click on save. So now if we go to the account hierarchy, we can see that it's part of the DD account here. And simply, this is how you can start adding or creating an account hierarchy. And now we need, for example, for this one to edit it, and we can add another parent account, for example, this one, but it wouldn't work since this one is already a child account. And here I'm going to click on here. And as you can see, we can go to view account hierarchy. We can see that the hierarchy is working very well. So basically, this is how you can create an account hierarchy. Thank you for watching and see you next time.